Hi, well, you know, yesterday we had a chat about this, these paints, what this company sent me, this QoR. So I thought, well, I just did that yesterday, run through for tubers, you know, and for you lot. And I thought, well, I think I'll try something else with them. What if we try to do, what do they call it when you use these big brushes now? Egg painting, isn't it? Oh, yeah. So I put some of the main colours like the cobalt and that. They come in these, they sent me in these type of, you know, QoR. That's another bit for them, isn't it? And there's the blue, that's the ultramarine, that's the cobalt. That's the burnt umber, which is very strong. So that and that ultramarine and this burnt umber will make a black. There's a bit of red, bit of yellow, and I've had a little bit of yellow. Okay. So what we'll do is, you know, this how they wet everything in like these guys. We'll just see how it goes on with this paper. This paper is not really meant for. It's a pretty thick paper, so we'll just see how it goes. So if we start with some ultramarine. Now then, oh, it's a nice bit of strong ultramarine. Now let's try and form a cloud here. So if we've got a cloud, we'll have it coming down this way, say to here, like that. There, breaking up here, like that. So it's there, breaking up and coming across, and there was just the remnants of another one there. Now I'll tell you what, we'll add a little bit of red to that. It's the cad red. Well, just a touch of cad red. Oh, put a lot in there then. So just using some cad red in our blue. Make it a pretty darkish greyish colour. So if we have it wettish and we come under there, but leaving white tops to there, to the cloud type thing, like that. We could get these white tops to the, you have some white tops to the cloud, and then we really washed it out a lot, like this, completely out, like this, just a touch of yellow with a little bit of red. Now the paints are very strong, so they should be handy for flower painters, etc. Being strong. And then we'll just see what they look like with just a touch of warmth somewhere. That's it. Okay, now we'll leave it like that. We're on camera, aren't we? Now what I'm going to try and do now is make a hill in the background, more or less the same colour as that, what we've got there. Just a hill there. And you can see it's a hill. Just put this together. I made it so you can see it's a hill there, like that, and then we'll dry it out a bit, our brush, and as we come towards the bottom here, we'll pull it out to make it clouds lower down on the hill there, and let that dry, because what we're going to try and do now, we're trying to make a valley here with two mountains coming over from both sides. Next we will bring the two mountains from both sides, but we will use some burnt umber and a bit of yellow ochre. I just put some yellow ochre in, a bit of red. Okay, so that's there. So we'll bring in this hill in from this side here. Now I'm going to bring it in and out of that cloud. Can you see what I mean? In and out of that cloud there. So the cloud's in there and it's showing there. And I'm now going to just bring it down gently like that. And I'm going to add some yellow. Now this yellow will introduce it to some light grassy patch here. Like so. Now okay, now this, be careful with this yellow. Bit of your yellow is the cad your lemon yellow and your ultramarine. Don't forget, it's in this colour, in the colours, the QoR colours. They're quite good colour actually. Very nice. So that's one of your mountains at that side. So the other side is a bit lighter and greener, maybe if the light's catching this area. Now we don't go too high. I will just bring it to here, say. And then bring that green in again, which is it's what you're doing, you're putting yellow in now, a bit of cad yellow and lemon yellow, sorry, I've not got cad yellow in it. So it's a bit of lemon yellow, this one, coming in here. There we are. I'll just deepen it a little bit with a bit of like that, but just to get a little bit of variety. There are some trees coming in, say, like darker trees. Like that. Now here we'll have to bring in another layer of light field. So it's here. I'll let that all out. There. And then we'll bring in some darks in the foreground a bit. Here. There we are. Next we'll put a few darker little touches in the front. Oh, you won't. So what I'm thinking about now is see if we can get a nice dark shadow across this field. Difficult, yes. And now we'll put a tree in. Very dark this time. There we are. Now it's all right, that for now. all we need is some trees, branches and that. Yep. See if we can do it while it's still wet. Not quite. Just dry it a moment.